Listen and repeat.
English words starting with the letter H. Happy, happy. Hair, hair. Hammer, hammer. Have, have. Harvest, harvest. Happen, happen. Hardware, hardware. Habitat, habitat. Hat, hat. Hate, hate. Half, half. Handsome, handsome. Hazy, hazy. Habit, habit. Hard, hard. Hand, hand. Handle, handle. Harbor, harbor. Harm, harm. Hatred, hatred. Hardly, hardly. Handwriting, handwriting. Hang, hang. Hallucination, hallucination. Hairdresser, hairdresser. Head, head. He, he. Herself, herself. Healthy, healthy. Heal, heal. Here, here. Heart, heart. Her, her. Heat, heat. Height, height. Hell, hell. Headache, headache. Here, here. Hearing, hearing. Hence, hence. Hello, hello. Helpful, helpful. Hesitate, hesitate. Hero, hero. Help, help. Heaven, heaven. Health, health. Heavy, heavy. Heal, heal. Heartbreaking, heartbreaking. Hide, hide. Hint, hint. High, high. His, his. Hit, hit. Higher, higher. Highlight, highlight. Hip, hip. Him, him. Himself, himself. Higher, higher. Historical, historical. Highway, highway. History, history. Home, home. Hotel, hotel. However, however. Hour, hour. Hospital, hospital. honest, honest. Household, household. Honesty, honesty. Honor, honor. Hourly, hourly. Horn, horn. Hot, hot. Horse, horse. House, house. Horizontal, horizontal. Holiday, holiday. Hope, hope. Host, host. Hold, hold. Horror, horror. Hobby, hobby. How, how. Homework, homework. Hopeful, hopeful. Hostility, hostility. Housework, housework. Hollow, hollow. Humid, humid. Husband, husband. Huge, huge. Humidity, humidity. Hurricane, hurricane. Hug, hug. Hysteria, hysteria. Hyperactive, hyperactive. Hemodialysis, hemodialysis.